Here's how to convert HEIC to PNG. So I now use an app called ConvertSave that I actually made with my brother, and it's a file converter for Mac and Windows. And so you can just click and drag any HEIC files into ConvertSave and then select your output. There's tons of different formats that you can output to. In this case, I'll select PNG and then hit convert. It's going to convert those HEIC files and save them right next to where they came from with the same names. And so ConvertSave, there's a link in the description to check it out. It's a image converter, audio converter, and video converter. So there's hundreds of different conversions. We're going to add more support over time, and hopefully you guys find this useful. It actually works offline, so you don't have to upload your files to any weird websites and then deal with having to download them one at a time, and you can convert as many as you want all at once. And so you can batch convert HEIC to PNG or just convert any HEIC photos to PNG photos here with ConvertSave. Thanks for your support, you guys. Hopefully you find it useful, and I'll see you in the next video.